Let us hear from him. I don't know. Please like the video. Yeah, please like the video. Very, very important. Like the video. This is a post made by Ogengre. This lady called Ifi. They are the one recruiting everything.
Get this information. Open your.
Just a moment. Okay, let us hear him again, so you will understand their own job now. Just pay attention, so you understand his own take and his own belief.
Now, get this information. Open your ear very wide. There is a data collection that Ngozi is doing. Those in the media, they said that they should submit their location, their phone number of the country that they are in. Never you consent to that. It is data collection. You are going to disappear from your different locations. Those who have never given her their data, they are doing it because we are speaking of. They said, oh, had it been that you collected their data, had it been you collected their different locations, they wouldn't have withdrawn. That is the reason why Ngozi Orabueze instructed Agi, the evil Agi. This Agi was calling me on phone when I did a program about PN. How they are planning to repatriate PN down to Nigeria, and you people must pray. She called me on phone, trying to tell me, oh, you are passing wrong information. You are passing along the line. She started crying. Immediately she started crying, she have to cut off that phone. I started calling her back so that I will hear her cry, so that she will tell me before me that what I am saying is not true. She was testing to me, I am not in good position to answer call now. You are not in good position to answer call. Biafra will keep on tormenting you because you people are aiding and abetting the conquest of our land. And we will never allow that, no matter how hard you try. I am a man of religious.
Okay, if not that I am actually somehow in media, I don't see me myself as they're all claiming they're journalists. I am not. If not that I'm here, I would have believed what he just said, that they're contacting everybody in the media. Because when I heard this before, I was saying that he's talking that he was addressing people in homeland. But when he said countries where you are, meaning that he's actually talking about people that are outside Biafra land and other countries. But nobody have called me to ask me data or information. Never, that's not like that. In fact, this is the first time I'm hearing that. Do you understand? I don't know if maybe he made a mistake. Maybe he was talking to people in homeland and he mistakenly said people living in any country where you are, because I don't have any information and nobody called me to tell me to give information. Nobody. You know, that's what is called flight imagination. Like you will be in your own comfort zone. You just cook up something and dish it out and sell it like that. Some people are good at that. It's just your memory with your brain will be traveling far and wide, bringing nonsense information and paint it as if it is real. And these people that are condemning and saying all those things, they are not the same level. If not for Biafran issue, Remedios will not even have any way to talk to that woman, Dotagi or COZ. These are people that you don't get closer to them easily. They are far, they are operating at a different level. But that's not what I create. Okay, so what I create will not Israel. I will leave it there. If you know, you know. Now it did not end there. There's another clip.